Okay, yes, again, leave no trace. Look at how old this thing is. Look at some of these old beams. I don't know if they drove nails in some of those. Huh. It's cool. I mean, it's old. Hey, it's protected. It's got a nice roof on it. I only have about 1 mile to go. I thought I was going to have 3 or 4, but it's only 1 mile to the intersection where the hostel is going to pick me up at 7:30. In fact, when I was just texting with the guy last night, he said he's bringing duct tape to do a slack pack. Well, duct tape's the guy I was in Hamburg with, so that's cool. I'll see him again. But he's going back out to a slack pack, and then he's coming back in for the night. So that's cool. All right, maybe we'll have another beer together over dinner. All right, let's go see the spring that barely dripping last night, if the trough is filled back up. All right, see it just dripping, seeping, dripping. Some of it's coming out of the pipe, a drop or two, and some's just seeping. But that trough is, I don't know that it's full, but I think it is because it's coming out this end. It's back full again, which is good. I felt kind of bad. I got enough water out that this morning I had to pour some of mine out because it's crazy to carry water when you don't have to. All right, that's where we're going down there. It's been slow go with these rocks, but it's all relative. Nothing's in comparison to what I've been through. So this stuff here is a piece of cake. And the good news is almost everything feels so much better. Every night it seems like your body heals when you're out here. Something's hurting, it quits hurting. For a while anyway. It may come back, but it seems like it heals. If you don't have anything that's permanent injury, then it will heal. All right, let's get down here to the meeting point. Oh, by the way, today is day 21. That's 3 weeks out on trail. I thought I might be pretty close to finishing. Actually, I'm not real bad. That day 13.4 miles yesterday, that was a doozy. After coming over the knife's edge, and it's not just the knife's edge. There are several pockets that are just almost as bad a set of rocks, if not as bad. It's just not up high on the top of the mountain. It's just horrible sections. So to do 13.5 miles, wow, I'll take it. I guess they throw this in just to kind of keep you warmed up. Keep you warmed up if you're coming the other way, that's for sure. Oh, you would have to do this to me at the last, wouldn't you? Oh, okay. Well, let's put this up. Okay, got to cross this bridge down here, 6/10 of a mile to the pickup point. PA 248, Pennsylvania 248. These are nice. This is so easy. They actually have stone steps. Woohoo! Really easy. Okay. I like it nice and sleazy. I mean easy. All right, this is day 21. I think, did I mention that? I think I did. 21. Wow. Oh yeah, I do. I remember saying it's been 3 weeks. It is cool, man. I don't have that much left. I can't believe the number of times you feel like, well, should I continue on or should I, I got my foot hurts, all this stuff. All right. PA 248. Is that what I said? I think that's what I said. the way I came from. We're going to take a left down here according to the Blaze. Oh, I see right over there. Ah, there's a crossing. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. A pedestrian crossing. We'll take it. All right, let's go. Woohoo! Let's get across the bridge. That's probably tomorrow's. There's tomorrow's climb. I don't know. I'm assuming. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I'm on the trail. I have to be. I gotta cross this river. Oh, there's a boat ramp down there. The tree came up before I could get my camera going, but that's okay. This river's looking beautiful. What did I say? It was the Lehigh River, I believe. I'm sure that's it. And that car is parked over there. I don't know where the parking lot is, but this river is looking awesome. That's what I came down up there. Woo! Doesn't look as bad as what it felt like. That's just one of several mountains. So look at some of this. Look at that old building. PA 248. Old train tracks. And there's the river. There's a water tower over there. Right there is where I'm going tomorrow. Somebody put some water jugs there. I won't need them. Okie doke. Okay. Down here. Yeah, we're on. So how far are we going? We're going
into 7 miles from the trail north of it.
Okay.
And you hiked all that over there. That's the trail that you hiked on the left.
Yeah. Can I video you a little bit?
Yeah.
Your name? Or you have a trail name?
Yep, Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins. Oh, I think I've seen that. Do you have a channel?
I do not know.
Okay, I've just seen your name.
Yep. People talk about me, but I don't. Yeah. I don't go out through all the advertising.
And you did the, what trail over in Scotland?
I did the West Highland Way.
Is that the one Ivy Tat did? Did you see? Sure. Yeah, he did something over there, right? Okay, well, cool. Thanks for picking me up. And is this your hostel?
It is, yes.
Awesome. It's got a lot of notoriety in terms of really cool place. Everybody really brags about it.
We can't change the rocks of PA. So the only thing we can give you is more rocks farther down the hill. So at least you can have a nice respite.
Absolutely.
Last night I got picked up by Mary Poppins. She has 4 sons and she has 50 Nerf guns.
Exactly.
Meisel's your trail name. You go by that.
Yeah, I go by Meisel, M-Y-S-L.
M-Y-S-L. Okay. I'll try to remember that, but I don't have to.
Yep.
I've got it on here.
That hiker that gave us a picture.
Let's do a quick tour starting in the basement where all of the bunk beds, nice wide bunk bed, cool. Everything is donation based too. Oh, look, a fireplace. All right, let's go up the steps real quick. It's a cool break area up here. Gotta watch your head, even at my height. This is the upstairs break room. Oh, I guess an extra bed, but we've got a TV. Okay, everything you need. Cool. And this is when you come in, everybody has to take their shoes off and leave. Oh, they have a ski place close by. Wow, that's right, they do. I forgot. Pennsylvania. Roxylvania. I have to leave my shoes here. ice cream place across the street. And there's a park right over there. After that beer and all this food and ice cream, I may go over there and try to take a nap.